How to use prepositions correctly. Prepositions are words that help show how things are connected in a sentence. They tell us where something is, when something happens, or how things are related. There are three main types of prepositions that help us understand when, where, and how something happens. Let's start with prepositions of time. When we talk about time, we often use the prepositions at, on, and in to explain when something happens. Examples. When we talk about where something is, we use prepositions of place like at, on, and in. These prepositions show the movement from one place to another. When using prepositions, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are some common errors. Prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. It gives us more information about where, when, or how something happens. Here are the examples. Pause the video now and take a moment to think about the question. Once you have your answer, leave it in the comment section below. Let's see what you came up with. Here's a quick recap. We've covered prepositions of time, at, on, in, place, at, on, in, direction, to, into, onto, and prepositional phrases. Now it's your turn to practice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful grammar tips.